Hello friends. Today I will introduce you with an exciting free gadget by which you will understand all about your pregnancy calculations. You can calculate your due date, how many weeks of pregnancy are still to go, and how many weeks pregnant you are at present. It will also tell you many other major milestones of your baby's development. Many women are confused about using the pregnancy calculators. So, today I will try to clarify all your doubts and misunderstandings regarding these calculations in a simplified manner. So, let's begin. So, when you start using the calculator, you have to first of all put the date of your last menstrual period. This is the first day of the last period and not the last day, as many women are confused about this. So I will repeat, this is the first day of your last period. When the period started, put the average length of your cycle. Most women having regular monthly cycles have a 28 to 35 days cycle length. So you can put an average like 28 or 30 here if your cycle is regular. Now, if the cycle is prolonged or short than this, then you can calculate the last 3 or 4 cycles length and you can take an average. After you have put both the requirements, you will click on the Calculate My Due Date button. It will congratulate you and tell you your due date, as well as a host of other information like the approximate conception date, when you most likely conceived. It will tell you the length of your first trimester, your second trimester, and third trimester, as well as when is the safe time range to deliver your baby. Not only this, it will also tell you some other interesting milestones of the baby's development, as I already mentioned. For example, when the organs begin to form, when the heartbeat starts, when can we actually detect a heartbeat on a vaginal ultrasound scan? What is the time when most of the major organs have formed? When the risk of miscarriage decreases and it is the best time to announce your pregnancy? When your baby's gender is visible on ultrasound? When you should start feeling the baby's movements? When your baby can hear sounds, and many others. Now, having understood this, let's start by using the calculator. Suppose your last period started on 10th May 2021. You can go back and forth with these arrows. You put 10th May here. Now you put the average length of your cycle, for example 30 days. Then click on Calculate My Due Date button. Congratulations! It tells you your due date is on or around 16th February 2022. Now you are 14 weeks and 1 day pregnant. You have 26 weeks still to go. The fetal age now is 11 weeks and 6 days. Now there is a difference between the weeks of pregnancy and the fetal age. This is because you ovulate and become pregnant approximately 2 weeks after your last period. So that's why there is a difference of 2 weeks here. Now, if you go down, it's also telling you the major milestones of your baby's development. It tells you the duration of your first trimester, the first 12 weeks, the second trimester, 13 weeks to 27 weeks, and the third trimester, from 28 to 40 weeks. Now take another example. Suppose your LMP is on 10th April 2021. You put 10th April here. Your cycle length is 28 days. So you put 28 here. Now calculate. Again, it is giving you all the desired calculations as well as all the information and the milestones about the baby's development in detail. Hopefully, by now you are expert in using this pregnancy calculator. Now, last of all, certain clarifications that are important for you to understand. So, how do we calculate the due date? The most common method is by using the last menstrual period, although there are other methods also. For example, ultrasound dating of the pregnancy in the first few weeks of pregnancy by a vaginal ultrasound, which is much more accurate in establishing a due date. But the most frequently used method is by your LMP, because this information is readily available and most often women remember their last period date. And it does not involve the use of any specialized equipment. So this is the most popular way of calculating the due date. We basically add 280 days or 40 weeks or 9 months and 7 days to your last period date and calculate the due date. Now this due date does not mean that you will deliver 100% on this date. It is just an estimation only. To be exact, 57% of all recorded births occur between 39 and 41 weeks, and 26%, almost a quarter, deliver at 37 to 38 weeks. Generally, it is safe if you deliver after 37 completed weeks. This is the end of my talk today, and I thank you for careful listening. The link for pregnancy calculator is given in the description. Do try this for yourself or someone near and dear to you. Thank you.